discover a quaint cream cottage with a brown tiled roof, nestled in a lush garden. A brick path leads through a riot of wildflowers and climbing roses to an inviting wooden door. This white cottage exudes rustic charm with its traditional thatched roof and wooden door. A brick path winds through a vibrant garden filled with ferns and colorful spring blooms. A lovely two-story white house stands in a sunny suburb. White roses adorn the porch archway, while a stone path leads through a garden of yellow and purple flowers under blue skies. Set against a clear blue sky, this soothing green cottage features a matching window frame and a lantern-lit porch. A gravel path invites you through a garden of ferns and daisies. A green door adds a splash of color to this white cottage. Beyond the wooden gate and gravel path lies a picturesque garden filled with pink roses, yellow blooms, and tall trees. A charming beige house with a green door sits nestled in a serene garden. A gravel path winds past a small wooden birdhouse and a lush variety of red, purple, and white flowers. This sunny yellow cottage features a rustic wooden trellis and dark-framed windows. A neat brick pathway leads visitors through a well-maintained garden of roses and bright daisies. Nestled in a quiet neighborhood, this white house features a wooden archway draped in white flowers. A stone path leads to a porch surrounded by colorful shrubs and purple blooms. Peace defines this white house, featuring a green window and a welcoming wooden bench. Potted red and yellow flowers line the porch, surrounded by lush ferns and a stone pathway. This white cottage features striking green trim and a cozy porch bench. A stone path leads through a vibrant, well-maintained lawn filled with a riot of red, yellow, and pink blooms. A bright yellow shed with a green door stands at the heart of this garden. A gravel path and wooden bench offer a place to rest among lush purple flowers and a backdrop of trees. This two-story house features a bold red roof and a dark front door. White roses and purple flowers fill the garden, creating a colorful landscape in a quiet residential area. Behind a classic picket fence sits a white cottage with a green door. A gravel path leads through a vibrant mix of lilies and roses, all set under a clear, peaceful blue sky. Relax on a plaid-cushioned bench on this white cottage porch. Surrounded by bluebells, lavender, and a stone bird bath, the garden feels like a vibrant and inviting sanctuary. A green door and window frame brighten this white cottage. A gravel path winds past a small water feature and lush ferns, leading up a wooden staircase to a flower-filled porch.